With the extra material, I made a pillow. Not only did I make a pillow, and when I have my cornice up there, you know, I could put it between here like this. I can, you know, have it to the front like that, and everything will match up and go together. All right, guys, so since I be busting at the seams with ideas and everything, and I told you that I have two different materials on my cornice, or my valance, whatever you want to call it, the window thing. With the extra material, I made a pillow. Not only did I make a pillow, and when I have my cornice up there, you know, I could put it between here like this. I can, you know, have it to the front like that, and everything will match up and go together. So when I made that other video for you guys, when I look back at my room, I absolutely love the way that that pillow was sitting in between there. So do I put black? Do I use this pillow and put black and this together and just call it a day? But now, since I had it downstairs on my couch, I love the way this look on my couch. Okay, so I can make pillow slips for this valance, and only thing you need to do is like take some pins when you want to switch it out, just real quick, and maybe, you know, until you really make up your mind on what you want to do, just pin your slip cover on. You know, you can get the material, cut it to size, make sure that the edges won't fray, you know, with some sewing tape, and then you can fold it up, wash it whenever you want to put it up, you know, make sure it's neat and straight, and then put it back on your valance when you change your comforters and, you know, and things of that nature. So once I solved that problem on, you know, changing, and I could change so easily, look at this beautiful material that's on the other side of this. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love it. But let me show you something else. So this was my choice. I can, you know, have this paisley material showing, which is beautiful here. It's beautiful with that. Or I can have the black material showing, you know, cover it all black. Or I can do a combination of both. Whereas I can have black material like on this end and on that end, and have the paisley material showing, you know, in between, and then I have the best of both worlds. But the only problem with that, guys, is when I had the paisley material up there, it did look good. But sometimes to me, it seemed like it was busy. It seemed like it was too busy for the room. And then let me tell you, you know, if you see my other video, you know what else I have done. So let me show you something. And in the comment section down below, tell me what you think about what I'm thinking about with this decoration thing going on here. Hold on, I'm finna show you something. It's a whole bunch of, okay, let me show you. This can be short. This pillow can be short, or this pillow can be long. I made the slip cover for this for, you know, with the material that I had left with the cornice. Now, I have pillow fillers here, and that's what I have in here. Pillow fillers, right? So when I want, I just pull that pillow filler out, and now it is a long pillow. I walked away to do something in my basement real quick. came back, I seen that this material, although it's beautiful, and I did extend this pillow from short to, you know, big now. Guys, it's too busy. It's too busy. When I had it all black, when I had this all black, I really did like it, and it just went seamlessly in the room. So it's a black curtain up there, and I'm gonna take that black curtain down, and I am going to use that to cover this valance. I say valance, cornice board, y'all get it. So I'm gonna take that down. Now guys, I'm gonna tell you something right now. I have been trying to find my decorating style and been changing things in and out, but to tell you the truth, I am sort of getting tired of decorating. I want to make decisions, love my area, and then enjoy the area. I'm tired of really changing it out. Even if I do decide to change my area out, I want to know what looks go with what, and I can just change it with some of the tricks that I've already showed you. I have decided to just make the valance black. It has the other material underneath it. So anytime I want to change the color of this valance out, I just take off the black slip covering, and then I can have the paisley covering showing underneath. Anytime I want to use the paisley pillow, I can put the pillow up. But right now I have these black pillows here and this pillow right there to match my comforter. The room is turning out nice. I know what I want in here now. I know what I want to take out of here. And I know what I don't need. The next thing that I will be working on is layering my bed for that hotel stay. And with the extra material, I am going to cover the top of this sitting bench right here. I don't think, I'm saying this now, unless I use some around the house, I really don't think I am going to have side tables in my room, because I have another idea for that. Instead of crowding up this room, I want it to be nice and simple. And I am thinking about doing something with the ceiling fans. I don't like the vases and stuff that was in here, but I'm taking my time. I'm not overcrowding anything. And I'm going to work on this room until I get it exactly the way that I want. So guys, thanks for spending this time with me. You have reached at It's Regina TV. I really appreciate you stopping by, watching my videos. Thumbs up this video, like this video. I really appreciate you guys. Anything that I didn't address in this video, please leave it in the comment section down below. And guys, until next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.